Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Said. Today I'll show you how to make uh, attendance sheet with check, with check box to count the work day on Google Sheet. So first of all, if you don't know what is Google Sheet, how to open it, so you have to go to your Gmail account. When you click on Gmail account, let me show you. First of all, I'm going to add a new tab, and this is my Gmail account login. When you click on your Gmail account on your profile picture, next to profile picture, here you can see the Google Apps. When you click on Google Apps, uh, the list of applications will be show up here. So you have to find the Google Sheets. Here is the Google Sheets. So you can open the Google Sheet from here. So right now I already opened a Google Sheet and create a attendance sheet. For example, I'm going to uncheck. When you uncheck the mark, the counter will be decrease, and when you check, increase and decrease. So let's get started. I'll show you how to create this type of sheet. So this is a blank sheet I just create to save time. If you don't want to how to create this, you just need to type staff name, week name, attendance, and so on. So this is the few names which I selected to show you just how to make it. For example, I'm going to select a box, select a cell, then click on insert button. After that, you have to click on checkbox. A checkbox will be insert. You just need to move this corner. It will be copy, and same move down. How many you want to add? So now we successfully add the checkbox, and next we have to create a small formula. For example, in this cell I'm going to add a formula to count the attendance. Select the cell and drag. After that, put the comma and true, close the bracket, just enter. Now we are successfully add the formula on this row but not implement on this. So this is how you can add your checkbox to attendance. For example, then after that you can just save or export this sheet, or you can share this sheet with your uh, uh, colleagues or something else. So I hope you like this video. Do please press the like it button. Thank you.